Hello, and thank you for joining us today on our new Allegheny Hearing and Balance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be changing the batteries in an In-the-Canal style hearing aid. The batteries we're using today are size 312. Most of your batteries will come in a package similar to this one with some sort of dispensing mechanism. There are typically either 6 or 8 batteries per pack. There are, of course, different sizes of batteries depending on the style of hearing aid that you use. This is a 312 battery. You'll notice it has a brown sticker, and there's typically also some brown on the packaging, similar to the package that we just looked at. Another size is a size 13 battery, which is this one. It's got an orange sticker and some orange on its packaging. And there's also a size 10, which has yellow packaging, and a size 675, which has blue packaging. As I mentioned, today's hearing aid is an In-the-Canal style using that size 312 battery. We do have another video in our channel about the parts of the hearing aids, but just a quick review, this is the face plate, the part of the hearing aid that's facing the outside world while the device is in your ear. Right in the center here you can see the battery door, and at the tip of the battery door is a little notch, which is where we're going to open the door from. Just want to get your fingernail underneath that little notch and pull it open. And the door itself is like a little cup. The battery sits right inside there. Now typically if this were truly an old battery, we'd want to remove that. I'm just going to use my fingers here, but stay tuned later in the video. I'll show you some other tips and tricks for removing and replacing batteries with other tools. Typically for placing a new battery in, you'll want to peel the sticker off of the battery first. These are zinc air batteries. They are activated by air once you peel that sticker off. You want to let it sit in the air for at least 1 minute. 5 minutes is really going to get you the best battery life though. So once you peel that sticker off, you're going to, keeping the battery door open, place the battery itself into the door. Now there are 2 sides to the battery, the smooth shiny side and the raised button side. The button side goes down into the door. So we're going to flip that over, place that button side down. You want to go pretty much straight in from the top of the battery door. Make sure everything's nice and flush. And then you can close the door, and it should give a little snap, letting you know that the door is closed and latched appropriately. Alright, so as promised, I'm going to show you some other tips and tricks for removing those batteries. This time we're using an all-in-one cleaning tool. Your tool may look different, or you may have multiple tools rather than this all-in-one style. At the end of this tool, we've got a little wire loop, and that's what we're going to use to remove the battery in this case. So same idea, get your fingernail under that notch, turn the hearing aid over, and we're going to use the little wire loop to simply tap on the battery to remove it. Okay, we'll go ahead and place the battery back in to the hearing aid. Again, sliding it in from the top of the door. The other tool we can use is at the other end of this tool. It is a little magnet. So we're going to use that little magnet to remove the battery. You can also use it to place the battery back in the door. If you have dexterity issues, this can be a particularly helpful tool to use. Again, just make sure everything's flush. Remove that one more time, and if you've just got the battery lying loose on the table, you can use the same tool, that little magnet tool, and pick it up. We'll place it back into the door of the hearing aid, again making sure everything is flush, and close up the door. Hear the little snap, and you're good to go. Thanks for tuning in.